Hi Taurus, welcome to your career reading. This is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a career slash job business reading for the end of October 2020. It is a general reading, guys, so this may or may not resonate with every Taurus watching this video. Time is fluid, as you know. You could have dealt with this energy, are dealing with, or will be dealing with in the near future. And of course, if you do need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. Okay. Also, please make a note that this could be you, or this could be the person that you're dealing with in your environment, your colleague, etc., your boss. All right. So take the energies how it resonates. Okay. So I have the cards laid out in front of me. Okay, and we're going to start interpreting them. The most dominant energy of the spread is the Ace of Cups here. All right. What I'm getting is that this is a sign of both emotional beginnings and a very friendly intention. Okay, so you could be getting into a business with a friend, with a good with a partner that you already know before, an ex-partner, but this is definitely a friendly approach towards your business. Okay, if you're searching for a job, then it's a new start. Okay, when it comes to your work, this always does not have to be a new job also. Okay, it can also mean just happy relationships between you and your colleagues. Okay, but it could also be an emotional awakening. Okay, when it comes to how you perceive your work, maybe this is a new approach that you're taking towards your work, or being starting a new job. Okay, new projects could be on hand. Okay, but this is also a good time to embark on new challenges and tasks. Okay, just utilize this rush of inspiration. All right. um, but I'm getting more like you're getting an offer, you're getting something which is going to make you really fall in love with. Okay, there's an opportunity that is going to be presented to you that's going to be emotionally very, very fulfilling for you. Okay. In the past, we have the King of Cups in reverse. Now, Taurus, this could be you, or this could be the person that you're dealing with. Okay, this could be a manager or a boss. Okay, who is a bit of a tyrant, but again, someone who lacks compassion and is emotionally very unaware of how others are doing. Okay, this is someone very selfish, very ignorant of everyone's need except their own. Someone who just thinks about their own, very greedy is what I'm getting. Okay, someone again who's very insecure also at the same time, and someone who lacks emotional control. Okay, which is playing a big factor out here about how this person handles things in their environment. Or this could be you. This is probably the characteristics that you're taking up in the past, or you were taking up in the past. Okay, or this could also be that you were just solely and wholly in a career or a job or a business just for the money. It was emotionally absolutely unfulfilling, but you were just there for the stability it was offering you. Okay. Maybe you started that job with a lot of excitement and passion in the past year, but again, it all disappeared. All right. Maybe you're not feeling very connected to this job right now. Okay, you probably enjoyed it once, but now you don't enjoy it anymore. Wow. So in the current situation, we have the Two of Wands here. This is telling me that you're at a crossroads. Okay, you need to be making a decision. You need to choose between two career paths. Could be two jobs, two career paths, two professions, anything. Okay, but I'm thinking this is more like a career path or job. Okay, business or not. Okay, I feel that you already have your. If this is also a business, this could also be you thinking about whether you want to continue pursuing the same business that you are doing right now. Okay, it's like I'm getting you already have your one foot out of the door. You're already one foot out of the door. Okay, and you're wanting to make plans for the future career. Okay, but you're looking at something else. You already have chosen. I feel that you've already chosen the path that you want to. You're leaving this path behind. Could be two careers, or could be two switching to industries, anything. All right, but again, you're probably even looking at your ambitions, and you're charting a path towards your dream. All right, making plans for the future career. You probably even are considering an ideal company to work for, or what your specialty may be, and maybe you want to choose your industry according to what your specialty is. Whatever it is, right, you're laying down your plans to start your own business also. It could be. Okay, but again, when it comes to two, it signals between two choices. Okay, it can be anything. In the near future, wow, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely new opportunities. Okay, that are coming to you, and they're going to be available to you. All right, this is a better secure job, this is a higher position in your existing company, anything, okay? But Taurus, if you take your chances and work hard, it's going to be very rewarding for you, okay? A business venture or a job, a promotion, whatever, right? But again, it's an ace. So you need to be very careful that it's just the beginning, okay? Whatever's going to be offered to you. This is a gift from the universe. This is an opportunity from the universe, okay? So yeah, this is marking the start of a new adventure or an era for you, okay? Good energies coming your way. Just welcome it, all right? Just put in your hard work. This is the ace. Aces are just the seeds, okay, that you're planting before you have the entire plants grow, right? So this is going to take a lot of effort, a lot of energy, a lot of hard work, a lot of investing your time, etc., right? That's when it's going to grow till the 10 of Pentacles, okay? This is very, very small, but do not underestimate the potential of it. How you see yourself right now is the 8 of Cups in reverse. Taurus, I'm feeling that this is to do with your current energies, okay, your current job. This is almost like you've worked very hard for something. This has to do with this unfulfilling job that you are experiencing in the past, or you have experienced in the past, okay? This is this job that you solely work for just because of the money and stability is what I'm getting, okay? I'm getting that you have fear of walking away from something, okay? You're finding it very difficult, you know, or you're refusing to walk away from something out of fear. It could be walking out of an unfulfilled job or business. That is what I'm getting more so. But you're still choosing stability over happiness, okay? Again, because the job that you are currently in, it's paying the bills, fair enough. But again, it's not fulfilling you emotionally, okay? But that's what you're choosing. You're choosing stability over happiness, okay? You know that you're in an unfulfilling career or profession, okay? But you have the power to change it, Taurus. You do, okay? You can choose to either accept a role, you know, accept a job or a business that has no emotional reward for you, no creative outlet, or choose an opportunity for growth, okay? And you need to make the necessary changes, okay, to go towards it. But right now, I see what you're doing, how you see yourself is you're afraid of leaving something behind, even if it's not serving you anymore, okay? You're just afraid of letting it go. You're holding on to a business or a career or a job only because of duty or fear, okay? But it pretty much, today or tomorrow, you have to let it go, okay? Because it's just not making you happy. You're feeling stuck here only because you've invested so much, or you could have tried to walk away, but you didn't find anything and you had to bounce back, whatever. But this is just an energy where you're not being able to move on. In your surrounding energies, we have the 9 of Cups here, okay? So I'm getting that you are probably going to get something that is going to be very, very fulfilling for you, okay? 9 of Cups is an emotional fulfilling card. It's the ultimate wish fulfillment, okay? Something that's going to make you very, very happy. I'm getting that you probably, you know, you worked hard for something, okay? And you're going to be getting a lot of respect and recognition in your field. Could be the current field or could be the future field that you're working for. Okay, but there's something that you're going to get, and whatever field you're going to get into next is what I'm getting. I think it's going to give you a lot of public recognition, okay, and a lot of respect. Whatever projects also that you may start in the future, okay, they're going to be very easy to finish, or even the skills, okay, that you demonstrate in completing them, okay, that's also going to earn you a lot of praise. This is a lot of praising, a lot of making you happy. People are going to recognize you, a lot of rewards, etc. Okay, if you're looking to advance in your career, this is an excellent time, okay? Probably even raise or a promotion, okay? I think if right now you're wanting to even want a business partnership or anything, right? I think people are going to be more receptive to you in the environment, okay? Rather than in the past or in the future. Right now is a good time. I think you should take advantage of what's going on in your environment, okay? Don't be overconfident, but don't be very shy also, all right? I'm guessing that you worked very hard for this recognition and you're getting it. In your emotions is the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Hope you can see the card. Yeah. Taurus, you're desperately desiring success. Let me just put it out there. You're desperately desiring success, but two things. Either you're not ready to actually work for it, or or you work so hard for it that everything else has fallen by the edge of the road. You've put everything else on the back burner, okay, and you've just put in your 100% into this current career that you're working for. But this is in your emotions, okay? Maybe you've gone through downfalls or whatever has been, right? But again, you need to make sure that the people that you work with are trustworthy. Check your legal documents, okay? Be safe as well. But at the same time, okay, you're pushing yourself too hard to work on something or to get the desired results, okay? You're overworking is what I'm getting. Yeah. So focus on it again. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Get a balance, okay? Don't be too focused only on one thing, okay? Where you put in your 1000% into something and everything else is on the edge, okay? Everything else is on the sideway. Don't do that. That's what's happening in your emotions. It's only work, 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 but you're not really getting the fruits of your labor, or you're not even sitting and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Let me put it that way too, okay? It's almost like I'm getting, you have all the money, you have the stability, you have everything that it needs to enjoy yourself. But for you, it's like, I'm getting a lack mindset, although I'm not getting that Five of Pentacles here. I'm getting the lack mindset. No matter what you do, you're always wanting to still keep on pushing yourself, okay? Like, no, I don't have enough, I don't have enough, I don't have enough. That ways, you're overworking and you're stressing yourself out, or you're not even enjoying the money that you have. Okay, this is someone who's really, okay, like I said, right, someone who's desiring success very, very desperately. You already have it, but you're just not ready to sit there and enjoy it, okay? Because for you, it's like, I need more, greediness also. Yep, like I said, likely outcome, we have the King of Pentacles in reverse. This is the likely outcome, okay? So there could be some unsuccessful work projects, okay? I'm getting this is more to do with your current work right now, okay? Or this is also closing a business. I think likely outcome, you're going to close this business with the King of Cups in reverse here, the Eight of Cups. If you're into a business or a career, right, I think you're going to walk away from an unfulfilling job. This is the current one that you're doing. The one that is not fulfilling you, I think that's the one I'm talking about. That's the one I'm talking about. This is closing a business, okay, or getting rid of a job. Because there's a lot of instability within the business that you're in or within the work that you're in, okay? You're probably tired of your current job, and this is affecting the quality of your work, and your motivation is dropping. This could also be a ruthless person at work, or this could be you, okay? So yeah, someone who's just being very selfish, greedy, and very manipulative at the same time. Again, could be you, could be someone in your environment, could be your boss, could be a colleague. I'm seeing this as you. You can take it how it resonates. You need to keep doing what's best for your career, okay? If you're looking for a raise or a promotion, okay, I feel you need to keep needing more experience. You're still lacking the experience, okay? So if you're looking for a promotion, you're still lacking the experience to do it. But otherwise, I'm feeling that this is either a loss of a job, or this is just someone who's being very selfish, greedy, okay, and wanting more. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. This is in your emotions. So that's what I have for you, Taurus. I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.